Welcome back, everyone. It's a pleasure to have you here on my channel once again. Today, I have a special treat for you as I unveil my top 5 picks for the absolute best crab traps available on Amazon. Crabbing enthusiasts understand the importance of having the right tools to maximize their catch. These remarkable products have undergone extensive research and testing, ensuring that only the finest options make it to this coveted list. Whether you're seeking unrivaled quality or exceptional value for your hard-earned money, rest assured, I've got you covered. Join me in this video where I'll provide an in-depth analysis of each product, highlighting their unique strengths and potential drawbacks. By the end, you'll have all the information you need to make a well-informed decision. Regardless of whether you're an experienced enthusiast or new to the game, there's something here to pique your interest. Without further ado, let's dive right into the highly anticipated top 5 selection. Number 1. Drazri 2PCS3 Entrances Large Crab Traps Portable. In the world of seafood enthusiasts, finding the perfect equipment to enhance your fishing experience is crucial. The Drazri 2PCS3 Entrances Large Crab Traps are an innovative solution for catching crabs, lobsters, crawfish, shrimp, and fish. With their portable and collapsible design, these traps offer convenience and efficiency, making them a popular choice among fishing enthusiasts. When it comes to investing in fishing equipment, durability is paramount. The Drazri 2PCS3 Entrances Large Crab Traps boast a sturdy construction that ensures long-lasting performance. Made from high-quality materials, these traps are built to withstand the harsh marine environment, resisting corrosion and wear. The collapsible design allows for easy storage and portability, making them an excellent choice for fishermen on the go. Measuring at 17.7 inches into 7.9 inch, 45 centimeters into 20 centimeters, the Drazri crab traps provide ample space for trapping a generous amount of marine life. Their large size allows for multiple creatures to enter and stay within the trap, ensuring a bountiful catch. Number 2. Palmuth Wire Grid Bottom Crab Nets 2-Ring Crab Kit. The Palmuth Wire Grid Bottom Crab Nets boast a sturdy and durable design that is perfect for recreational and professional crabbing alike. With dimensions of 24x20x12, this crab net offers ample space to accommodate a significant number of crabs. The wire grid bottom design effectively prevents crabs from escaping, ensuring a higher success rate. Additionally, the harness and bait clip further enhance the net's functionality, allowing for effortless baiting and easy retrieval. Durability is a crucial factor when choosing a crab net, and the Palmuth Wire Grid Bottom crab nets excel in this regard. Crafted from high-quality materials, this net is built to withstand the harsh conditions of crabbing. The wire grid bottom is resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring its longevity. The sturdy construction, reinforced seams, and durable harness guarantee that the net can endure the rigors of frequent use, making it a reliable companion for all your crabbing adventures. Simplicity and convenience are essential factors to consider when choosing fishing equipment. The Drazri 2PCS3 Entrances Large Crab Traps excel in this aspect, as they are incredibly easy to set up and retrieve. Number 3. Quali's Crab Ring Trap Bait with Crab Gauge Measure. For avid crabbers and fishing enthusiasts, having reliable equipment is essential for a successful catch. The Quali Crab Ring Trap Bait is a versatile and practical tool designed to enhance your crabbing experience. Featuring a crab gauge measure, a bait clip, and a 24-tard braided twine fishing net, this crabbing kit offers convenience and efficiency. Whether you prefer crabbing from a board, kayak, dock, or pier, the Quali Crab Ring Trap Bait is designed to adapt to different fishing environments. Its versatile construction allows for easy attachment to various platforms, enabling you to enjoy crabbing in your preferred setting. This adaptability makes it a fantastic choice for anglers who enjoy exploring different locations and seeking new crabbing adventures. Its straightforward setup process allows you to get your traps in the water quickly, saving you time and effort. The lightweight design makes handling and maneuvering the trap a breeze, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Number 4. Dolly Crawfish Trap Crayfish Trap Fish Crab Traps. This trap is a versatile and reliable tool designed to enhance your fishing experience. With its foldable design, durable construction, and nylon rope, this trap offers convenience, durability, and excellent performance. The Dolly Crawfish Trap stands out with its innovative foldable design. This feature allows for easy storage and transport, making it a practical choice for fishing enthusiasts on the go. Whether you're planning a fishing trip to your favorite spot or exploring new waters, the foldable design ensures that the trap can be effortlessly carried and deployed, saving you time and effort. The inclusion of a nylon rope with the dolly crawfish trap ensures secure and reliable deployment. The rope allows you to attach the trap to a fixed point, such as a pier or a dock, keeping it in place and preventing it from drifting away. This feature adds an extra layer of convenience and peace of mind, ensuring that your trap remains stable and effective throughout your fishing expedition. Number 5. 2-pack of Kufa CT50 Sports Foldable Crab Trap with Thread. For avid crabbers, having the right equipment can make all the difference in a successful catch. The 2-pack of Kufa CT50 Sports Foldable Crab Trap offers a comprehensive and efficient solution for capturing crabs. With its foldable design, red-white floats, harness, bait bag, crab caliper, and lead core sinking line combo, this crab trap combo provides enhanced performance and versatility. Thank you for watching my video. If you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my daily videos. If you're looking for more information or want to know the price of a particular product, check out the description box below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Remember, life is short, so why not make it easier with cool products?